Welcome to Illuminated Lamb, where we discuss the themes of Christ and light as found in the scriptures. If you're following us on YouTube, please comment, share, like, and subscribe. Really helps our placement with the YouTube algorithm. This being the Christmas season, I wanted to present some thoughts of mine as we have a way of looking back rather nostalgically during the Christmas season. There are times in which we are looking back at events that bring us a lot of joy. It could be family gatherings from years ago, decades ago. It could also be a matter of looking back during a time of what may have been tragedy during this time of the year and brings back memories, but not necessarily pleasant ones. Also, when we're taking a look at this Christmas time, to take a look back at what Christmas has really been customarily all about, at least in this country, and that has been the birth of the Lord Jesus Christ just over 2,000 years ago. So as we're looking back, I think there's a dimension of looking forward. I have a section of this in my book called The Capsule under the chapter called Remembrance, and the section within that chapter is called Memories of the Future. I pray that this excerpt from the book will be a blessing to you and will help to enhance your perspective during our Christmas season. Memories of the Future. Typically, remembrance has a view to the past attached to it. However, it has a future dimension as well. Monuments are built so that future generations will not forget someone or an event from the past. In Joshua chapter 22, verses 10 through 34, you find the account of a replica of the Lord's altar built by the Israelites who settled on the east side of the Jordan River. Fearing that this natural barrier might lead to a future division in the nation of Israel, the replica altar was not a lapse into false worship. It was intended as a reminder for future generations. The explanation offered in verse 24 provided a simple reason. We did it from fear that in time to come your children might say to our children, "What have you to do with the Lord, the God of Israel?" Remembrance provides an interesting link between the past and the future. Numerous Christmas carols serve the same function. In Western culture, the celebration of the Christmas season is a time that brings back memories of past Christmases and those with whom you celebrated them. Christmas carols are especially good at triggering those memories of the past. Yet, many of the classic Christmas carols provide us with memories of the future. They are words remembered from earlier in your life. However, they point to a yet future time. Consider a carol such as "It Came Upon the Midnight Clear." For lo, the days are hastening on, by prophets seen of old, when with the ever-circling years shall come the time foretold, when the new heaven and earth shall own the Prince of Peace their King, and the whole world send back the song which now the angels sing. Another 19th century carol from our past, "Away in a Manger," brings back memories of the past but also of the future. Its last stanza is a prayer and a look ahead. Be near me, Lord Jesus, I ask thee to stay, close by me forever, and love me, I pray. Bless all the dear children in thy tender care, and fit us for heaven to live with thee there. In remembrance, we look not just to the past, we look to the future as well. I'll see you on the next podcast.